Hi, I'm Dr. Lucy and I'm here today at the VIVA Skin Clinics in Chelsea. We've got Hannah with us today and we're going to be doing lip filler treatment and some anti-wrinkle injections. Stay tuned to see the final results.
I came here today for the treatments I'm going to have to help boost my confidence. They always make me feel a bit more glowing in terms of my appearance, and also just the team here, find them incredibly friendly and professional every time I come. So 2 treatments I'm going for today, which are the anti-wrinkle injections and the lip filler. Why do I have them? I guess, like everyone, a little bit scared of getting older as I'm approaching my kind of early 30s, and just a treatment which I've had for a little while, and I think it's about prevention, not cure, so that's one of the reasons why I have the anti-wrinkle injections.
So in terms of anti-wrinkle in the upper face, which areas would you like to target?
So definitely like the forehead, just in terms of the movement, and then a lot when I smile, like I do get a lot of the crow's feet around the edge, so that's something I'm just a lot more conscious of as I get older.
Okay, so you mentioned about the forehead lines. So if you just raise upwards, so the muscle across the forehead there is a lifting muscle, and what that does is when you lift it and raise it, the skin over the top of the muscle will then cause the creases. Yeah. And as time goes on, those creases become there at rest. So they're called static lines. And what we want to do is try and target those with Botox before they become deeper, because then they become harder to treat. Also, what works really well with the forehead is treating the frown lines, so in between the eyebrows. Those 2 different muscles have opposing actions, so it's really nice to treat in here as well, because that helps to lift the eyebrow slightly and give you that really fresh, wide awake appearance. Yeah. The third area that I think you would benefit from is, like you mentioned here, the area that you're noticing a bit more in the crow's feet. Again, Botox will stop the muscle from contracting, so it will really smooth out the skin there. If we just move on to the lip treatment, so just talk me through how you feel about your lips.
I love the shape of them in terms of the heart shape. That's something I want to keep, but just want them a bit kind of fuller again, especially the top lip that seems to have decreased in volume, and a little bit just on the bottom to kind of match and make them just feel a bit fuller, I think.
So today we're going to be using 0.5 mils of Juvederm Volift, and this is part of the Juvederm Vicross range, which is the premium range of dermal fillers. It's a super soft product and it's really, really natural, and it really integrates really nicely into the tissues, so it doesn't feel lumpy or bumpy. And it's got really good longevity as well. So we normally advise 6 months, and then we bring the patients to assess if they need further filler, but generally 6 months on average is how long it would last. So we've now finished Hannah's lip treatment and we're going to show her the results. There you go.
They look really good, really good.
Happy?
Yeah.
What do you like about it, Hannah?
Just fuller, but still really natural. Which was exactly what I asked for. So no, they look fantastic. Thank you.
You're welcome. So we did focus a lot of the product on the upper lip. So this should be looking a lot fuller than before, and the ratio will be improved. So We did have, to begin with, a fuller lower lip, so we're just trying to even that out a little bit. We did put some products in the lower lip as well, just to hydrate that and maintain the volume there.
Hannah, how are you feeling about this result?
Yeah, really good. Dr. Lucy is a fantastic practitioner and just really pleased, very natural and completely pain-free, which is also good. Just really happy going into the winter season. It's given me a bit of a glow and a boost, so really pleased with the results.
So we've just finished Hannah's treatment and she will see the final result of the Botox in 2 weeks and the lip filler treatment in a couple of days once the bruising and the swelling has subsided. If you have any questions about any of those treatments, please leave them below and follow us on social media. Hope you found that helpful. See you next time.